everyone. Today I'm going to do the word problems of multiplication of decimals as we have completed exercise 7 all the multiplications questions. So we are left out with the only the word problems, and it's similar like how you used to do multiplication similar way. So you just try to understand the question and that way you can do. So a packet of biscuits weighs 50.25 gram. So Mira bought 15 packets for her birthday. What was the total weight of the biscuits? That's the question. So one packet weighs 50.25 gram. So what will be the cost of a weight of 50 packets of birthday? Okay. So like that you need to write weight of a packet of biscuit is equal to 50.25 gram, and weight of 15 packets of biscuits is equal to, obviously, multiplication I have already mentioned. When the question asks when the whatever question is given, so whenever hint is given as one packet and you are asked to find for many packets or for many, that means you need to, it's increasing, right? The value will be increasing, so that's why you need to multiply. So when you multiply 50.25 into 15, you get 75375. This is the answer, as the point is in before two decimal place, so that's why you need to put a point in the same two decimal place in the answer. Very simple. So 15 friends went for a picnic on a bus. So if the cost of one bus ticket was rupees 10.50, so how much money did they spend on the bus ticket? So for one ticket, its cost is rupees 10.50. So for how much is the total they are asking? That means for 15 of your friends you need to buy ticket, right? So for one it's 10.50, so for 15 it will be what, rupees 10.50 into 15. So when you multiply, you get the answer as rupees 157.50. So 157.50 means what, how much zero you put, the uh, how much zero you put, the value used to be what, same only, right? So that's what I have already told you. So now we will go to other questions, not needed 7 and 8. So let us go to the, you can try it at your home, the same how you have done the question 5 6, same way. Okay, like now let us go to division of decimal. So in division of decimal is that, you see, two things are given. The decipen is placed in the dividend and the quotient only, and not in the working. Okay. In the quotient, the decimal point is placed just above the decimal point in the dividend. So we used to put the point in case of the dividend and only in the case of quotient, not in this case, not in the divisor. Okay. We only put the point in case of dividend and the quotient. Okay. And the decimal point should be the above the dividend. Whatever in quotient place you need to put a point, and it should be above the dividend point. How it's given, that way in a similar you need to put. So that is the two rule. And one thing you always know, that what was the how to find dividend, we used to do a division into quotient plus remainder. But and is in case of decimal, the remainder used to get 0. Okay, so to check it, your answer is correct or not, to find a dividend, we used to do what, we used to multiply the divisor and the quotient, because remainder, you see, for every case it will be 0. So that's why they have mentioned only division into quotient. Okay, but the formula already you know that dividend is equal to division into quotient plus remainder. Okay, the first question, let us go. uh, So Sudha has forgotten to insert the decimal point in the quotient. Help her by placing decimal point at the correct place. So you need to put the point in the correct place. Okay, as you all know, where you need to put the point, in the quotient, right? In the quotient, and I have already put the point, as you can see, and it is above the dividend. So you see, in case of here, 5 to the 10. So after that you put a point, because the point is exactly, you need to put a point, where is it? So the answer will be 2.9. So similar in case of here, you see you need to put a point above it. So it is 0.31. Here it will be 5.17. Here it will be 0.07. Exactly in the same above it. Okay. So now question number 2, how you can divide it. Check the answer by multiplication. So how will you check it? So you know the formula, division into quotient is equal to dividend, right? So first you have to divide it, and whatever the solution is there, we will multiply it, and then we will know that is that whatever you have done is correct or not. So a number you see, first you see 0 is there, so we cannot uh, divide with 0, right? So you need to put a 0 here, same. Then you put a point, exact same point. Then we will see 8 is there, so we can put as 8 is bigger than 3. 3 2s are 6, so you have put 6, so it will be 24. After doing minus 1, 4 will come down. So 3 8 is 24. So after doing it, you got 0 as answer. So the answer is quotient is 0.28. So how to check by multiplication? So how will you find dividend is equal to division into quotient? So how will you do? You will do what? 0.28. This quotient, divisor, this one is the divisor, this is the quotient. You multiply both, and if you get the dividend, that means your answer is correct. So 0.28, that is the quotient, and the divisor is 3. So when you multiply, you got as 0.84. So that means this your answer is correct. So similarly you can see in case of C also, 6 ones are 7, 6 ones are 6, so 7 is there, so minus when you do 1 will come out, and then after that point is there, so you also have to put a point here. Then 6 twos are, twos are is 12, so when you put a 12 minus, it will be 50. 5 is there, so 5 is smaller than 6, so that's why you have to bring 4 down, so it will be 54. So 6 nines are 54. Okay, and you got answer as 0. After that nothing is there. So if there would have been some other numbers, then the point whatever is there, so you can put 0 0. Okay, check by multiplication, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. So when you multiply, you got that answer as 1.29 as the quotient, and the remainder sorry, the divisor is 6. So when you multiply, you got this exact dividend 7.74. So this way your, that means question number 2, you have to check it and divide it. So that this much for today. In the next class I will do the question number, other questions of it, that is 3 4 5. So this much for today. Thank you for watching.